Today video I'm gonna show you how to set up a new iPhone 17 Pro Max. So it is pretty easy. So first time that you unbox your phone, you need to hold down the power button and then you're gonna go into this screen, just swipe up, and then you need to select your language. In my case it is English, and then choose your country. I am in Cambodia. And then appearance, just click on default, click on continue, and then all you have to do just set up without another device. From here it may ask you to update the software, so we can do it later. Just click on update later and then click on continue, and from here I'm gonna click on adult, and we're gonna set up the Face ID later. And for the passcode, click on passcode option, don't use it. We're gonna set up later, don't use passcode. And then don't transfer anything, and then click on set up later in setting, click on don't use. Now click on agree, and then click on continue, click on not now. And for location I'm gonna set up later, click on OK, and then click on set up later, click on skip, and then click on set up later in setting, don't share. And here we have dark mode or light mode, so choose whichever you like. I'm gonna go to dark mode, click on continue, and set up later for Apple Intelligence and camera control. I'm gonna click on continue, not now, and continue again. And that's it. Click on get started. You will be able to use your phone, and it is pretty simple.